Fun fact about using DRA. So you know how the textbooks say that there are two parts to differential reinforcement, one being reinforcement for the desired behavior and the other extinction for the target behavior. With that model, in the DRA procedure, the alternative behavior contacts reinforcement and the target behavior does not. That's the extinction. Well, what if extinction isn't appropriate for the client? Because it isn't always appropriate. I mean, there's a lot of unwanted effects, which means it can be aversive, extremely aversive for the individual. So what do you do when you want to use a DRA, but you want to avoid aversive control? Well, guess what? And this is good news. DRA doesn't always mean extinction, nor should it. In fact, differential reinforcement in general just means different amounts of reinforcement. So you can teach a desirable alternative behavior by just making sure that that behavior contacts a lot more reinforcement than the target behavior. And that discrepancy will be meaningful and less aversive for the client because they don't go from all to nothing. They go from all to less, which is much less traumatic, much more humane.